My name is Abigail Vickers. I work at Meltwater as Revenue Operations Manager. Meltwater is a media intelligence solution tool. So before we had LeanData, it was all very manual. It was very localized. There was a lot of, manual processes that happened that would cause a lot of errors sometimes or delays, right? It was a classic bottleneck situation that needed to be rectified. One of the ways which LeanData really helped us was to make sure that the right prospect is being sent to the right person. By having it in one place, we also saw just an improvement in making sure that it gets to the right person faster as well. The fact that we don't just route leads, but we also reroute contacts or accounts, it keeps all of those that we maybe might have lost in the past in the busyness that is Salesforce. It makes sure that we can action on all of those, but it also keeps our data hygiene up to date as well. We implemented BookIt about 2 months after we started with LeanData routing. We can be really specific with whose calendar shows up. We can replicate our routing logic from our normal lead or contact router into BookIt as well. That person will land with the same sales rep, whether they book the appointment with the sales rep or they don't. It will always land with the same person. When leadership comes to me asking why is LeanData great, I would definitely point them towards data hygiene, right? We're seeing a lot of leads that might be a duplicate right now being merged with existing contacts, so we don't have this mismatch of data out there. We see such a change in lead to deal time as well. We can really show that there is less time spent from the time that they inbound to when they've actually closed as a customer for us.